Ever pondered the secret to crafting the perfect chicken tikka masala in the comfort of your own kitchen? Dive into the rich, vibrant world of Indian cuisine as we unravel the intricacies of this beloved dish. Start by gathering the necessary ingredients. A symphony of spices awaits. For the marinade, you'll need 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of freshly ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of minced fresh ginger, and 4 teaspoons of salt, or to taste. The main characters of our culinary tale include 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Make room for 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 jalapeno pepper, finely chopped, and 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. Add 2 teaspoons of paprika and 3 teaspoons of salt to the mix. The sauce calls for 1 can of tomato sauce and 2 cups of heavy cream. For serving, keep 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro at hand. Begin by making the marinade. Combine the yogurt, lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of cumin, cinnamon, cayenne, black pepper, ginger, and 4 teaspoons of salt. Stir in the chicken, cover, and refrigerate for 1 hour. While the chicken marinates, prepare the sauce. Melt the butter in a large, heavy skillet over medium heat. Sauté the garlic and jalapeno for a minute, then add 2 teaspoons of cumin, paprika, and 3 teaspoons of salt. Stir in the tomato sauce and cream. Simmer on low heat until the sauce thickens, for about 20 minutes. Next, cook the marinated chicken. Preheat a grill for high heat, lightly oil the grill grate, and place the chicken on the grill. Cook until juices run clear, for about 5 minutes on each side. Finally, fold the grilled chicken into the simmering sauce. Let it simmer for an additional 10 minutes. Garnish with fresh cilantro before serving over hot basmati rice or with warm naan bread. To recap, the perfect chicken tikka masala starts with a flavorful marinade, followed by a rich, creamy sauce. The chicken is then grilled and added to the sauce, allowing it to soak up all the delicious flavors. Mastering this dish might seem daunting, but with a little patience and practice, you'll be serving up restaurant-worthy chicken tikka masala in no time. The beauty of Indian cuisine lies in its blend of spices and textures, and this dish is a testament to just that. So the next time you find yourself craving a taste of India, remember, you hold the power to recreate this culinary masterpiece right in your kitchen. Bon appétit!